Hey everybody, welcome to another adventure. Yes, it's another rainy day. Seems like all my days off are rainy days anymore, but we can still hike on those rainy days. So today I am here at Out of the Ore Birds and Blooms Trail. I plan on planting the Wandering Woodsman sticker that I got out here at another iron furnace. There's an iron furnace right on this trail. I think it's Mont Alto iron furnace. So we're right off of 997. You go down Orchard Road. There's a little concrete barrier you park at, and then you walk right up the stone road from there. Since I was here last, it looks like they're doing a lot of building, a lot of housing construction. So I don't know how much longer this trail will be here, if they're going to take it away or what, but the golf course, Penn National Golf Course, is right beside us here, and we'll see how, if the trail still as pretty as it used to be. It used to be pretty nice. And I'm gonna try and connect to another trail up here, Bricker Trail, that leaves from Mont Alto and goes along the mountain. I'm gonna see if this connects with that. So after I plant the sticker, if you want, stick along with me and go along on that hike with me. So this changed a lot since I was here last, but it still brings you to the furnace. So I guess I'll still try and leave the sticker here. As you're walking up the road, the golf course will be right on your left. And at the top of the hill, you'll see a trail to your right. Just take that little trail to your right, and that'll bring you right here to this furnace. So like I said, it seems like they're building up all around here a good bit. So if you get a chance to come out and see this little bit here, you might want to see it before they do away with it. But I'm going to find somewhere to plant the sticker here for you, and then I'm going to see if this trail goes up to the mountain and connects with another trail. Hey, little buddy. So I am inside the furnace. It's pretty cool in here. But I am going to plant the sticker just inside, underneath some grass and a log. Ouch. So, right under that log there, move the grass away, and the sticker will be there. And I wrote some stuff on the back of it. I wrote about the Carrick furnace here, and I wrote it in purple ink, and it seems that purple ink has kind of run and faded away, so you probably can't read the purple ink. But I also signed the back of it in regular ink. Plus, Cliff's signature held up real well, the One Room Woodsman. So if you want a One Room Woodsman that Day Hike Dave replanted, come here to this iron furnace. It's just off 997, out of the ore trail. Just come up. You can come up a farmer's field and into it, or up a stone lane and into it. And the sticker will be here under this log and under the grass a little bit. So if you do get it, please let me know. I would appreciate it. It may stay here for years, who knows, but if you do happen to get it and you watch this, please let me know. Anyway, we're going to see if I can hike more of another trail. So if you want to, stick with me and come along on that. We should see some beautiful things. So the last look at the furnace here. Pretty cool. Beautiful view of the golf course from there, but we're going to see where this stone road goes. I'm hoping it gets up to the trail I'm looking for. I'm pretty sure that trail is like straight into the woods here. We're going to take a check, but I don't see any no trespassing signs yet. I hear like a hawk screaming back here, and looks like the trail, but I'm not sure yet. Not quite sure. I'll look a little more and I'll get back to you. So I've wandered around the woods here for a little bit and have not found the trail. So maybe my instincts were wrong as to where this trail is. So probably get back out where we come in, look around down there a little bit and see what we can find. So I'm back out to the field that I cut up in through and walk on the field here a little bit and see if I can find the trail, but might not be able to find it today. So I think I finally did find the trail. If you come up that road to where the big houses start, right before this blue house, right here, if you cut into the right, you'll see the trail. So I'm cutting in. And right there, right here indeed is the trail. So we're going to go that way, probably make a little loop and then go back down. So if you're in for an extra adventure, try this out. So you can see right there, down there is where I came from. Down there's the golf course. You come up these houses, you can cut right in. There's a couple nice paths right into the main trail here. So now the sun's coming out. Probably perfect day for a thunderstorm, so hope I don't get caught out here in anything too wicked, but it's actually beautiful out. Beautiful. Pretty cool. Worth the hike up here to see this. It's hard to find. When you get to the top of the mountain, it's a spur to the left. Take a left unless you want to get down and see the stream that I saw. It's really not worth going back down and back up. Just when you get to the top of the mountain, take a left and you'll see this. This is beautiful. So, it's a really cool spot up here. If you get the chance, come get my sticker. Hike up to the top of the mountain here, get this wonderful view. And you get a lot of exercise, if you can. Anyway, I think I'll end it here. Like always, God bless all of you. Thanks for all of you watching. Thanks for coming along on this journey. Until next time, I'll keep you all in my prayers. See you later.